Section Widget, and when I talked about that, I explained that there's two different types of section widgets available with the download. And the last video went over just using the section part of the two-part of the plugin. This video today is going to go over section tabbed. This displays section-specific content in a tab format. So we're going to grab this and we're going to pull this over here. And here you see we have now the option to add in new tabs. So we're going to add a new tab, and for the purposes of this particular video, you saw in a little bit other greater detail in the last video using it with special pages and special categories. This particular instance, I'm just going to, for ease and speed of this video, going to indicate that this particular tabbed section is only going to show up on our front page. So I'm going to create a 3-tabbed widget that is only going to show on our home page sidebar. So new tab number 1, we're going to call this Michelle. And we're going to put in here, follow Michelle on Twitter @Manjan. We're going to save that. Then we're going to add another new tab. We're going to call this one Tommy. Oops. Apologize. I have a dog sitting in my lap as I do this. And we're going to put in here, follow Tommy on Twitter. Hold on, dog off the lap because she keeps annoying my fingers. On Twitter @Tommy TRC. And then, last but not least, we're going to add one more tab that's going to say, oh goodness, what do we want to say? We're going to type in here your virtual assistant. And then, real quick, I am just going to grab some text here really fast. Kind of use an actual HTML text for the second purposes of this. So I am going to, alright, we're going to grab this line here, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back here to our widget. We're going to put this HTML that I just copied from the notepad into this particular tab, and we're going to save this, and then we're going to go here to the website. So now you see we have 3 tabs. We have Michelle, we have Tommy, and we have your virtual assistant. So we come here, we're going to refresh the page. It's thinking here. All right, so apologize, we were actually on a post page, we weren't actually on the home page. So now you can see down here at the bottom we've created a widget. I did not give it a name, certainly could have. So here I have, click the main one I set up was Tommy, or Michelle rather. Follow Michelle on Twitter @Manjan. Then we can click the tab follow Tommy on Twitter, and then your virtual assistant, and then you see here we have the hyperlink then that goes out to my virtual assistant site. So that's a quick video for you on how that works. Oh, I do also want to show you real quick. So right now this is showing in the sidebar. I'm just, for fun of it, we're going to scooch this up. We're going to put this above the text. All right, it's saved. So let's refresh this again. You see it's on the bottom right now. It's refreshing. Now it's up here on the top, and it's not going to be on our About page. It's not going to be anywhere except for our home page, because as we discussed in the first video on just the section widget by itself, and the settings that I defined on this particular one, I told it to only display on the front page. If I wanted, for some really strange reason, I could remove that. And how about, just so you can see this, we're going to change it now. We're going to change it to the contact page. We're going to go ahead and we're going to come down here real quick, save that, refresh again. We told it to go to the contact page, so here we are. Now we go back to our home page, and it's not there anymore. So again, as I said, definitely by far one of my favorite WordPress plugins ever. It's called the Section Widget is the name of it.